That is a Zippo trick. I'm going to show you two Zippo tricks in this video. One was one I've just done, which really what you need to do is you need to have either two things at the bottom, or this, like that, and you come at the top, and you press down with your thumb, and slide it off, and it flicks up. So the way I do it is I do it head there, and the top with your thumb is, and then you do it the opposite way. These two fingers come off the bottom. It's not doing it there for a minute. Alright, that's why I put it like that. But yeah, you have to have it so it's facing down so it can gravity can pull it down. So like that. And the other one is get your knee, you walk on it, and light it up. So which I'm gonna do now. Not lighting. It is a working Zippo, as you can see. But yeah, there we go. It's lit up. So now let me show you how I light it. And I do that one. Like that. So it's practically a one hand movement. It's two fluent movements, well, depending on how long it takes the Zippo to light up, so one, take a cigarette, and light it up and enjoy. So now I'm gonna light my cigarette with it by doing this trick. Play up some yeah. Wrong way that's all. So yeah, as it works. Now I'm gonna light my cigarette. And light it up again using the knee one. Using the knee. So put it out. Oh, I didn't light up there.